Hi, everybody. It's a beautiful day. Happy Sunday to you. And, we're living in very difficult times. And I want to read something from the Bible to you. Now, this is Deuteronomy 31:8, and it goes this way. It is the Lord who goes before you. He will be with you. He will not leave you or forsake you. Do not fear or be dismayed. Remember, you're not alone. So we've got someone bigger than you and I is in control, and that's the Lord. And I think with all these things going on in life, let's read this over and over again and meditate on it, and we'll be free and peaceful. Thank you so much, you guys. Good morning, everybody. I want to share something in the Bible. It's something that Paul wrote back a few years ago, more than 2,000 years ago. And it's Romans 8, and it's verse 28. And here what it says. It's beautiful. And we know that for those who love God, all things work together for good, for those who are called according to his purpose. I think once you become involved with Christ, you'll see that the way you live your life will be very peaceful and smooth. Christ is in charge. Christ is the one who you're going to look towards. And again, you know that his purpose for us is to love God and to help our fellow human beings. That's just the thing we should be doing. We do it. And God wants us to do that. Christ wants to do it. So there you go. Let's just think about that today as we go through our day. Peacefulness of Christ in our lives. Thanks a million. Everyone, I want to